how to buy a Jack the Cockroach token. So this token came under the symbol of GTC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. So if you click on there, this official website, as you can see, you will be able to relax to this pink sale. So this token is in pre-sale now. So what you need to do, as you can see, the pre-sale starts in the 93 days. So to be able to buy the token, what you need to do, so just connect your wallet first, as you can see here. Now, as you can see, I will just launch my wallet first. So after that, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to pink cell, what you need to do is just type here how much you want to buy of that token. And as you can see, make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on buy here, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy GTC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.